In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website without using a plugin. It's a simple process and will take only about 5 minutes. Backing up your website is crucial to ensure that your data is safe and can be restored if something goes wrong. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit wordpress.com, open your preferred web browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the upper right corner, and give it a click. If you're not already logged into your WordPress account, you'll need to enter your credentials. Now, instead of typing your login details, you can choose to continue with Google if that's the option you prefer. Simply click on the Continue with Google button. This is a handy feature that saves you time by using your Google account to access WordPress directly. If you have multiple Google accounts, you'll need to select the one linked to your WordPress site. A list of your accounts will appear, and you just need to click on the appropriate one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the home page of your account. On this page, you should see a panel on the right hand side featuring quick links. One of these options will be to edit site. Click on this link to proceed to your website's editing interface. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the site editor, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an options link. Go ahead and click on this. The options menu offers a variety of settings and features, but today we're focusing solely on the backup process. In the list of options, you'll find an option to export. Clicking on export will allow you to download a copy of your website's content. This includes posts, pages, comments, and media. Basically, everything that's crucial to your WordPress site. The export will be in an XML file format, which is standard for WordPress backups. And just like that, you've managed to back up your WordPress website without needing a plugin. Keep this backup file stored safely. You can use cloud storage services or an external hard drive for extra security. Regularly backing up your site is a good habit to get into. It prevents data loss and keeps your hard work protected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of backing up your WordPress website easy and stress-free. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy blogging.